Hi everyone, Assalamualaikum. I'm Ramadan from Coding You Live. Actually, this is my first time that I present myself again in front of you. And welcome back my YouTube channel. Today I want to show you how to create register screen. Let's check it out. Now firstly, we're going to create new file. So we go to page and start it folder. So right click and choose new file and we give name register view.dart. So after that, we use a snippet, we generate stateless widget and rename it with register view. This is a layout of the stateless widget. By default, it uses container. So we replace container with a scaffold. There is a blue underline. So click lamp and choose ignore for this file. And we create background color. We add a body scaffold with single child scroll view. And in children, we put a column. As some like before, for this warning, we ignore it. Then go back to login page or the login view.dart. We'll give the action for the sign up button. This is a sign up button. And we will put the action at onPlzz function in this one. But before it, we have to prepare a root setting in the app root and app pages. So you go to app root and duplicate the login variable. Then rename it with register. Go to app pages, duplicate get page for login and modify for register. Hey, look at, we get an error. That's because we didn't export path register yet. So go to export file and duplicate login view, then rename it with screen view.dart. Go back to app pages, then the error is lost. Okay, we close and try to put the action. We use the get dot to name it with the root register. This action for move to register screen. Start and try. Okay, we try by clicking set up button. This is register screen. So we create tag like up over here. There are a text, so we give some modification for give a center widget. We also will give a padding and put a top padding something like 250 or 100. Hey, look at this is a sign up text. And before we go started for coding UI, I want to explain that all of widget in the screen is from the body of scaffold. So this is part of body of scaffold. That because we didn't use up bar from the scaffold that we want to create by ourselves our own up bar. In this part, I will divide it into three parts. There are body header, body form, and an action button. As usual, we create a three container in the column children. So we create a function from the widget. So we start from the last, then click a lamp, then we choose export method action button function. We replace container function to be a widget function. That because we want to return to be a global or common widget. So if you don't replace it and we want to change the container with another widget, we will get error. And I want to change this step of the function by the block body. So you block this part and click lamp and choose the block body. Now we are going to create body header. I think we have created this part before in a login screen or login view. So I think the simple way create same code as before, we can create a global widget. Okay, go back to login screen. And this is for header. So the header we have a background image and title subtitle. Yeah, so we create a new folder. Here the name is widget, especially it's local widget for started folder. And we create new file. The name is body header.dart. Yes, then we use a stateless widget body header something like this. Don't forget import the material package. Then we have the body header for the global widget, especially for local folder for the started folder. Then go back to the login screen and cut this part, put there, and then body header. This one automatically imported this file, and then we have a body header here, and in body header we will use this function. So cut it, put after with function, Okay, we get some error. Okay, try to fix it. Yes, fix it by the import get package and core file already done for this global widget. Go back here and maybe we can refresh. There is an error over here, but we want to use it in another screen. This widget over here and then put here for the first function. First, I want to make this part of asset image is dynamic, not static, because it is static variable. So we create a variable final string is for background image path. So this put here and then so we remove constraint. So after that, want to make it required or mandatory required. And then over here background, we have background image parameter, we put there. Yeah, and then there's something have to be dynamic. It is for a title and subtitle because this is a sign in. So before that, I want to show you first how if we use body header in register page. Over here we just put here background path. So go to asset image black. I want this image for the background image of the side up screen or register screen. So right click and copy relative path. Go back to register view and paste. Make it string. Save it. Okay, move to side up screen. Exactly here, but the title and subtitle is wrong. It is for the login screen, so we have to make it dynamically and we have to add a variable title and subtitle. Title because it's constraint, we remove constraint first and go to login screen. Title sign in and for a subtitle cut it subtitle put there. Then in register title sign up subtitle, save all, and the title is change it. This is a simple way and this is faster than if we create boilerplate code like we create a header for a second time. It is a same widget, like look, this is same design. So I want to use it again or twice for another screen, so I make it a global widget in a local folder, started folder. Okay, the second part is for a sign up form. We have a name, email, phone, password, and confirm password, and some agreement text for user agreement and privacy policy. So it is the same form like a login form. So firstly, go back to login, plus add header first. So go to from login and copy this, then paste in a body form. Save. Okay, over here, and we give some modification like a padding, horizontal for 20 and vertical 15. I think this form is so long line, many field or many data like a name, email, phone, password, confirm password, and this text. So I want to create a global widget again in a local folder. We can use this template or layout for another in other screen, only for a started folder. So maybe we can use it for profile editing and other else, maybe for payment or the other. So I will put it in shared folder and widget. So new file, the name is tag field widget dart stateless widget, import material app, and okay, don't forget tag field widget. Save it. This column over here, child learn, so we'll ignore this warning. And maybe I will use the password because password is more completely than email, because we have secure tags and hint tags of secure tags for here, and in an email we didn't have it, so we use it. cut it. Paste. Don't forget, go to export.dart and add a new one. Save it and then copy and paste here. Password. Cross start. Create a variable like a or label text, label string. For this. And yes, just this one. Then I want to do it for the email too. Can remove it, and I think we have to add one variable again. This is useful for the future. Is text edit controller. Put here. We will use it in the future when we have integrated API or Firebase. We duplicate here. And here, this is for name. Enter name. Password is called password. Already done. Okay, and also I think I have to use it for the login, so we remove it and go back to login screen. Yes, so pass in here, and for password, yeah. And the last part, we are going to create action button. I think action button is same or similar like a sign in or login screen. You can look at register and login. Yes, it is same, I think. So easy way or the fast way, I think, go back to login screen and we go to this action button. Copy this. Yes, copy this. Go to register screen. And then go to action button, put it pass here. What get? Still getting error. Okay. Okay. So I think you rename login text to be a register, and this is cancel. And cancel get action for cancel button, we put a get dot back, and also think no only button we put it maybe 15. Okay, that's good. And sign up, cancel. Okay, already done. For header, body form, and action button, it's this easy way, I think. If you find this tutorial or one of my others helpful and would like to see more like it in the future, consider to support me by buying me coffee, link in description. Please to subscribe, like, comment, and share this video. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you back here next video.